Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect blocks in Roblox Studio. First, open Roblox Studio and begin a new baseplate project. Next, insert two parts from the Model tab into your workspace. Select one part, then choose the Weld or Weld Constraint tool. Finally, click the first part, then click the second part to connect them. This creates a basic, stable connection between your objects. Weld constraints are crucial for creating stable, unmoving structures. They ensure that connected parts remain rigidly attached, preventing them from falling apart or moving independently. You can find the weld constraint in the Constraints section of the Model tab. Simply select both parts you wish to connect, then click the Weld Constraint button to apply it, forming a strong bond. For dynamic connections, consider using hinges and motors. A hinge constraint allows one part to rotate around another, perfect for doors or rotating platforms. For more advanced movement like character limbs or complex machinery, Motor 6D instances provide precise control over rotation and position. These tools add interactive elements, bringing your creations to life with controlled motion. Scripting offers the most powerful way to manage connections dynamically. Using Lua code, you can create, modify, or even destroy welds and constraints during gameplay. This enables interactive elements, such as doors that open when a player approaches, or platforms that move on a timer. By accessing parts and their properties, you gain full control over how objects connect and interact within your game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.